Hi, this is Jeff with Construction Fastening. I want to make a brief video to answer that question. Why do my self-drilling screws keep snapping? There's really two reasons that it boils down to. You either have the wrong screw or you have a cheap screw, maybe a little bit of both. And so let's take a quick look. This is a standard number 3-point that you'll probably buy at a big box store, very common. And this will work into maybe 16th, maybe 1/8 inch steel. But that's about it. That's about as long as it will drill. If you run into thicker steel, like say 3/16, 1/4 inch, or even more, you need what's called a number 4 or number 5 point. And you can see the difference. Hopefully you can see the difference in length of the drill point on either screw. The number 5 point is going to drill into thicker steel. As you can see, we drilled through this fairly easily, and that's probably at the point we're drilling, I would say maybe 5/16, 3/8 thick, if you can see it from the side there too. But number 5 points are rated to drill up to 1/2 inch thick steel, so they'll do the job for you. Something like this isn't going to cut it for you. So keep that in mind. That's going to make a huge difference as to why your drill is or screw is snapping. If you look what will happen, you'll drill in about 3/16, not even that, 3/16 being 1/8 inch, and now it's going to start to grab your threads. And when that happens, it's going to quit cutting, it's going to start grabbing, and it's going to snap the screw off for you though. That's why you do that longer drill point on a number 5 screw. That's the basic reason why your self-tapping or self-drilling screws are snapping on install. Now there's guys will tell you, well, your RPM's off, your pressure's off, and that holds true to a point, especially if you put in a lot of self-drilling screws. You're going to give more thought to that, but for your general purpose, all-around use, really it comes down to that, the right screw and a good quality screw. I prefer using an impact. It spins a little faster, and I feel it does a better job for me. But again, if you're doing this a lot all day long, DeWalt, Bosch, Makita, and others, they make a tech screw that's set up for self-drilling screws, hits the right RPM, has a nice clutch out feature like a drywall tool as well. So there you have it. We have both the standard self-drillers with number 3 point, that we have the Tech 4s and Tech 5s in lengths up to 8 inches online and in stock at constructionfastening.net.